Hey, happy Wednesday today. And as usual, I'm excited to talk about video. Today, you're going to learn exactly what I mean when I talk about how to use video in effective online marketing. I'm talking about video and distribution and video marketing and how powerful it all is. Well, today I'm going to show you an example of how this works so well. My friend John is the owner of Inception Photo Booth, and what he's done is he's used the power of video and the power of internet digital marketing here, and I'm going to show you his how this works. So in this example, my friend John started with a vision of how he wanted his business to build and grow, and he had this great product. So it basically started with him starting to dabble with creating his own website, and he knew that video was going to be a part of that. So he reached out to my friends at Anticipation Media Inc. and they created a video which was now implemented into specific landing pages. So here's an example how I'm saying how he did it. So what he's done is he's got these really cool photo booths that are good for events, okay? And he's created a page called Corporate Events. You can see up here. This corporate events page is a specific page that he can now target to corporate companies. Okay, and then within the page, he's got great visuals, great call to actions here, buttons to just go ahead and book now. And down here, you see the video. So I'm not going to play the video right now, but I will probably put a link to it in the comments below. So he's got a really effective video within the page. So right at the top, people know what's going on and get to the video. This one happens to be only a minute long, and it's really effective. Then he gets into some of the other stuff of the features of his products, the things that you could do, request a quote again. Case studies are hugely important. He's done it perfectly here. This stuff means so much whether people actually look at them or not, or read them further. Having them there is giving him credibility. So this is great calls to action, more photos, requesting info, right? So he's done a very good job. This is how it's done, people. You create specific landing pages targeted at specific groups with a targeted video. This is how he will become successful. This is what you should be doing. Another example he's done is he now, so here's his home page, I believe, or another landing page that he's created. I believe this is going to be his new home page, and I'll scroll to the top here. So here it is. So again, he's got the video running in the background, beautiful in there. Request pricing right up front. There's a phone number and contact us. There's no fluff. This is right to the point. This is good stuff. It's getting me excited just looking at this and how he's done it the right way. So this is a page, his home page. He's got a free ebook, which is great, giving credibility again. This is a great way. More reviews, customer reviews. His Instagram followers. Okay, so John's doing it the right way. This is not rocket science, people, but he's doing it correctly. And then the other page he's got here, he's got a weddings page. So this is a specific landing page that's been created that he can now run ads online targeting people that are looking for wedding planning and people who are having weddings soon. He could target these people, and they will be targeted on Facebook, which would be the preferred funnel for this type of product. And you can see here again, video, features, templates, calls to action, vendor list, more credibility here, more testimonials, reviews, different people too as well. He's mixed that up. So John's done this extremely well. He's got another services page here, and basically in a nutshell, you can do this yourself. John's the kind of guy who learned how to do this himself, like I am. And with training, also with lots of training, dollars an hour spent. So you could do this yourself and create your website, and he's going to next be doing Facebook marketing. So you will be able to target people on Facebook. This is going to be a successful campaign, people. This is how you do it. I would love to talk to you guys some more about this. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please comment, direct message, or you can send me an email. I would also recommend checking out the rest of John's video. I'll put it in the comments below. And reaching out to John if you know someone who wants to have an event, a photo booth such as this at their event. And tell them Clint sent you. If so, just tell them Clint sent you. And hope this has helped you. This is an example of how to use the power of video and online marketing.